devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter. We need basic video editing knowledge to make TikTok videos, and we can do it with our smartphone. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tech Hunter. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make VFX effect in Kinemaster. Recently, this VFX viral in TikTok, so it's gonna very interesting if you are a TikTok video maker. So let's get started for the video. First of all, take a new project. You just need to shoot a video walking on the road and sky should be in the background. Okay, I'm gonna make this VFX with this video and I think it will be perfect. Okay, now I have to split the video. That's for drag the pointer where you want to split. Okay, I think it will be good. Okay, now just tap on the scissor icon and then tap on split at playhead. Okay, after split it, select the first part and increase the speed. Tap on speed and I think 1.5 will be better. Then select the next part and this time decrease the speed. I'm gonna make it half. Okay, now it's in slow motion video. Now again select the second part and go to adjustment, adjust some color tune, decrease some brightness and increase contrast. The video should a little bit dark. Okay, now tap on layer option and add an image. I will give its link in my video description so you can easily download it and use it in your video. Okay, now just transform the image and make it full screen. And also equal the layer with second clip. Now scroll down and go to blending option. Make it darken. Now to make it more realistic, select the image and go to adjustment. Increase saturation and also increase some brightness and decrease contrast. Now if I play it, it will looking something like this. Okay, I'm gonna add a music, so it will be a proper TikTok video. It is the final output. So now I'm gonna render it. Just tap on here and render your video which resolution support your mobile phone. It's depend on mobile capability. If you want to get more videos in this topic, please comment in my video. I'll try to make another video on this topic, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.